Good Tuesday morning, everyone. Today we will have our breakout rooms the entire time beginning at 9:50 sharp. Log into Zoom before 9:50 and I will break you into your room immediately. Towards the end of the Zoom lesson or session, make sure you share information to your group members in case you need to work outside another time after today's session. This does not have to be a perfect project, okay? I understand we're in groups and it's harder when you're in groups online. So just know you do not have to have a perfect project, okay? This is just to help us to get started on our biography report, all right? Today or tomorrow, I am requesting that you let me know who you will be doing your biography on. In today's PowerPoint, I suggested 3 websites that you are able to read online. These are biographies. I will also email your parents so they know what these 3 websites are. In math, we will continue what we were doing yesterday. And I look forward to seeing you guys promptly at 9:50. Have a great day.